For 30 years, the global economy was ruled by one single undisputed principle: just-in-time manufacturing. We kept inventory near zero, we squeezed every penny out of our logistics, and we assumed the world would remain perfectly predictable. But in 2026, that rule has been shattered. Between massive shipping lane disruptions, fluctuating tariffs, and a decisive shift toward regionalization, the old lean model has become a liability. Today, the most searched topic in industrial boardrooms is not cost-cutting, it is resilience. We are moving from a world of firefighting to a world of orchestration. Today, we are going to explore why the siloed departments of the past are causing industrial catastrophes and how a new technology called Agentic AI is stepping in as the digital conductor of the global supply chain. To understand why we are moving away from just-in-time, we have to look at the fragility of lean systems. Just-in-time was built for a world with infinite stability. In that world, a 3-day delay at a shipping port was just an annoyance. But in 2026, that same 3-day delay creates what engineers call the bullwhip effect. A small tremor at the beginning of the supply chain becomes a massive, violent swing by the time it reaches the factory floor. Because we have zero inventory buffers, a late shipment of a single tiny microchip can shut down a $10 million assembly line for weeks. Historically, companies tried to solve this with more spreadsheets and more meetings, but the departments responsible for fixing the problem, procurement, logistics, and production, are trapped in silos. They use different software, different databases, and they rarely speak the same language in real time. This is why search volume for supply chain orchestration is at an all-time high. If traditional supply chain management was a collection of solo musicians all playing from different sheet music, orchestration is the entire symphony. And the conductor of that symphony is Agentic AI. Orchestration is the central intelligence that makes those multiple silos work in perfect harmony. In early 2026, industry leaders like SAP and Oracle shifted their entire product strategy toward this model. They realized that a dashboard telling you that a shipment is late is not enough. You need an agent that understands the downstream consequences. When the conductor sees a delay in procurement, it instantly calculates the impact on the shop floor and adjusts the demand forecast for the sales team. It ensures that every departmental decision is synchronized to a single end-to-end business goal. What makes the 2026 rollout of this technology so transformative is the shift from co-pilots to agents. Last year, we were excited about AI assistants that could summarize a report. We called those co-pilots, but a co-pilot still requires a human to drive. Agentic AI is different. These are digital colleagues with the ability to reason, plan, and execute tasks autonomously within trusted guardrails. Imagine a material planner assistant, a commercial assistant, and a demand forecast assistant all collaborating in a single workflow. The demand assistant sees a spike in orders for a specific product. It does not just alert a human. It talks to the material assistant to check raw material levels and coordinates with the commercial assistant to verify supplier lead times. Together, they generate a pre-validated recommendation for the human manager, having already solved the logistical puzzle before the human even logged in for the day. One of the most important technical breakthroughs making this possible is the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. You can think of MCP as the USB-C port for artificial intelligence. Before MCP, connecting an AI agent to a company's deep internal databases was a nightmare. It required custom fragile integrations for every single tool. But MCP provides a universal, two-way standard that allows AI agents to securely reach into your ERP systems, your shipping trackers, and your warehouse sensors. This protocol is the reason we are finally seeing the end of the data silo. Because of MCP, a supply chain conductor can now retrieve real-time information from a third-party logistics provider as easily as it reads a text file. It allows for what we call zero-click procurement, where the AI can discover, vet, and prepare a transaction with a new supplier entirely on its own. The financial results of moving from just-in-time to orchestration are becoming clear. In early 2026, companies like Danfoss and BMW reported massive efficiency gains. By moving to a single harmonized data set, these companies have achieved what is known as continuous planning. Traditional planning happened in cycles, monthly, weekly, or daily, but in a volatile world, those cycles are too slow. Continuous planning allows a company to zoom in from a board-level strategic scenario to a shop floor order impact in just a few clicks. Early adopters are seeing a 95% reduction in the time it takes to query material data across their global networks. By simulating disruptions like port closures or demand spikes in the digital world before they happen, these companies have turned resilience into a measurable strategic asset. This brings us to the final piece of the puzzle. What happens to the humans in this orchestrated world? The shift to Agentic AI does not mean the end of the supply chain professional. It means the end of the spreadsheet slave. We are moving toward a human plus machine model. In this new environment, the AI agents handle the repetitive analysis, the data entry, and the routine communication. This frees up the human planners to focus on high-level strategy, exception management, and building relationships with suppliers. The supply chain of the future will be defined by the quality of its digital colleagues. The manufacturers winning today are the ones who have stopped firefighting and started conducting. The era of just-in-time is over. It was a model built for a stable world that no longer exists. Resilience is no longer just a defensive play. It is an offensive competitive advantage. By deploying supply chain orchestration and agentic AI, you are ensuring that your business can move at the speed of the market, while your competitors are still waiting for their next internal meeting. Is your organization still trapped in a siloed, lean mindset, or are you ready to hire your first digital conductor? Let me know in the comments below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the technologies actually running our global economy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.